Hey my friends, what's going on? It's your boy Kater on a beautiful day, my friend. So in this video guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna jump into the computer, we'll do some product research, and then I'll show you the harder way and an easier way to get it done in 2018 and beyond. So definitely check this out. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. A lot of people always have problem with, yo, what the heck do I promote? How do I do product research? How do I put products on my store really fast? So I'll show you guys a couple of tricks on my sleeve that you guys can actually use inside of your stores right now and start taking things to the next level. So let's jump into the computer, let's get this stuff going. Let's go.
And if you enjoyed this video but haven't subscribed,
press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Okay, simple steps that a lot of people probably already use is that they go to Google and put, you know, goo.gl, get yours now, or stuff like that. Let's see, something like get yours now. You can start looking up some products. Now if you go to videos, it'll show you some of the current product, like new products that people are posting. You can do 2018. You can start getting some action, so you can start seeing some information. Just do videos. Okay, let's see this one for example. If I was to click on this product, now when you're doing your research, what you're gonna find out, there you go, like this one for example, like this person is using Bitly. Like this is a let me see, I was actually selling this product 3 years ago, and it's funny how this person is selling it now. I guess it's just you press a button, it's actually gonna, there you go. You get the coffee. I was selling this product 3 years ago. Now if you find a product that people already made a killing from back in the days, I'm actually gonna look at this person's page. What I want to see is that have they built an audience? Because when you have products people already been destroyed, they already killed, I highly recommend check to see if you have an audience. It will be great because you already have an audience. This person's selling this product for $24. Okay, I thought it was $249. I was gonna be like, what? It's crazy. I used to sell this thing for 20 bucks. But anyway, let's look how big the audience is. 19 people that likes their page. So a products like that people already made a killing in, it's probably gonna take you a lot more money to actually see to actually get some profit, because you don't have the page to test. Like for example, I see this page selling this product. I want one. This page already have 700,000 likes. So they can test products that already made a killing, that people already made a killing with paid traffic, because they already built an audience. They get to test for free. So in the beginning, always think about, let me see if they have this product over here. You should have it somewhere. I see they were selling it just not that long ago. It's about an hour ago. So check to see. All right. Anyway, but when I'm looking for product, for example, like let's say this product, the first thing that I see when I wake up in the morning and I open up my account and they start showing me ads. For example, the first thing that I do is ask Facebook, why am I seeing this ad? Okay, the reason I wanted to show you this product here, for example, this product. Let's look at this product. Okay, it's like a fake lamp. It's a fire lamp, but it's actually plugged in. It's not a real fire lamp. So this is selling. Now you see a lot of people use the goo.gl, but I'm transitioned from that to using something like Bitly, because Bitly, you know, with goo.gl you can actually search to see why you're seeing this product. For example, let me bring that up here real quick. If I logged in into my page, what's gonna happen is that they're gonna start showing me daily products. Okay, there's a couple of things you could do for your Facebook to show you more products so that they can activate you as a buyer. You want to buy a product from one of the top stores that you see that are selling every single day. So what's going to happen is going to activate your pixel. So once it activate your pixel, it's going to see you as a buyer. So Facebook kind of qualify you as a buyer. It's going to start showing you more product. I'm going to log it into this. So anything that's sponsored, you know, they targeting me, I'll come on it and click on why am I seeing this ad. Okay, so why am I seeing this ad? So this is actually on my wife's account here, and it's showing me, hey, I'm being targeted, women from the age 31 to 39. So kind of give me an aspect, people that's living in the United States. It's kind of a broad targeting for this, and I can keep scrolling and find any ads anything that's being promoted for the day or the person is actually driving traffic from. If I'm in the sponsored, if it's a sponsored post, I can ask Facebook, why am I seeing this ads? It's gonna kind of show you like what audience that you're actually falling in and why you're being targeted. The next thing, when you're using the Google shortener, if you go on to the Google shortener, you can actually see where the person is getting the traffic from, any website that's driving traffic to, and you can get the data. You know, it'll tell you where the traffic is coming from. For example, in this one, it's telling me it's coming from Facebook. It'll actually tell me, you know, how much of the traffic is coming from Facebook, what countries they are coming from. You know, you get 312 clicks from the United States, and then over here you have some more clicks from the Canada, kind of Europe, you know, India. So it's kind of in France, kind of, you can go and get someone's data if they use, literally, if they are using goo.gl, you can look to see where the traffic is coming from. And Facebook, if you see the ad, you click on sponsor, while you're actually seeing this information, it will tell you where. So now you got enough data from just following what those people were doing. Now the best way, the easiest way to do it, now you're gonna have to hire VAs if you want to get a lot of products every single day. It's people going through Facebook and going to the strategy on Google to search products for you and send them to you on a day-to-day basis. Now I've been using this tool, as I told you guys, that's what I've been following. This tool, I'm going to go in the inside of it in the back office, and the cool part with this tool is that they keep adding products. I'm going to go to winners. They keep adding products every single day that you guys can actually have access to, that goes to the same process. So instead of hiring a VA to do that job for you, they do that for you, and they put those products over here. The cool thing with this, it gives you the product with every details that you're gonna need. Also gives you the video, it gives you the campaign objective, which is what we was actually searching for earlier. Kind of give you the demographic, which is what we use the goo.gl to look to see where the person is targeting, who they targeting, giving you, you know, what age group to target, men in this case of this specific product, gives you the ad copy, gives you the interest that you can actually test, which makes it so powerful. If I click on the vendor's link, it's actually going to link me right into AliExpress. This thing is being sold for $112, and I could sell it on my store. Let me see what price they put on it. 126. I'll sell it for 149. You know, 150 bucks. Give me enough cushion so you have $50 to test on Facebook to see. And then the cool part with this, again, they give you a video, right? They give you a non-watermark video that you can actually use for your ads. So I think it's really, really dope. I'm gonna put a link to this software down below. This is what I'm using. I'm also, if you're also inside of the Facebook group, let me know what's going on for you. And this is how you could do product research every single day manually, and this is how you can actually come into this tool that I have over here, right? You can just grab it down below. I'm gonna put a link down below. Once you grab it with me, I'll put you inside of the Facebook group. If you're already inside of the Facebook group, let me know how's your campaign going on. Are you testing different things? Cool thing, they're adding different products every single day. They're giving you this stuff. So if you're someone that has a job, you can literally just come here and test different products every day to see what works best for you, and once you start getting results, and once you start getting some results, you can start scaling these things. So this kind of gives you the process. This is one way you can actually get things done a lot faster, guys. Definitely wanted to share that with you and show some attention to this stuff. That was your boy Kader. If you do have any questions, drop it down below, let me know, and I'll check it out on the next video. So, you know, check this stuff out, let me know what you think, and I'll check with you in the next video. See you guys later. Bye.